Hi, I'm Fred Davies with the Wholesome Life, and I'm here to talk to you about how to take full responsibility for taking care of your own body with a program that helps you learn the skills to do that. You see, we are complete beings, not just a body. We're a being with spirit, emotion, thinking, and body. Sometimes we call this heart, mind, body, and spirit, or sometimes we refer to these four elements as emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual parts. But however you refer to them, we are complete beings. And your body is your stewardship from God. You're given responsibility to care for it. And to do that, you can do that by listening to it. No one can take that from you because that is the gift that God gave you. I want to be able to help you take care of your body and to help you be empowered to take care of your body. Because you see, we each have parts of our body and our whole being that are not well. We may have even been born with things that don't work properly, like I was. We've each inherited weaknesses. A program that helps you learn to be fully well includes wellness in all areas of your being. And this program teaches you how to achieve your full wellness and how to maintain it for the rest of your life. You'll learn how to assess and address or clear blocks that are emotional, mental, physical, or spiritually based. You'll learn how to rebuild every organ, gland, and system in your body to its best function. You'll also learn and practice a model that helps you understand the cause of your problem and how to clear the problem and repair the damage. You've already started on the most important skill, that is self-muscle testing. You've learned how to listen to your body. You've learned what strong or weak means, or being drawn towards or pushed away from something means, and how to align with things that work. You've probably just got a very beginning look at that. Or maybe you're going, Fred, I haven't even started on my self-muscle testing. Well, that's the very first skill that you'll learn, because all the other skills need that skill, and they all build on that skill, because you working with your body instead of against it is where the power is. You see, your body's already been trying to do everything it can to serve you, and sometimes we individually just don't know how to listen to or work with our body. And that muscle testing skill gives you the capacity to learn it and to work with it. So let's take a look at the program very briefly and what you receive in this program. First, you receive 12 coaching sessions private to you that help you learn how to take care of your individual pain, needs, or challenges. You'll learn 3 advanced wellness skills that only the most practiced practitioners in the past had access to. And most of them didn't have all 3, but you're going to have all 3, muscle testing being the first one of those, so that you have the capability of taking complete care of yourself, knowledge and skill. You'll also learn 21 principles of how your body works, how it was designed to work. And by understanding how it was designed to work, you'll be able to make the best choices for yourself to be well. Once you've figured out what needs repaired and what foods and herbs are needed to repair those, we want to make sure you have the right materials. And so we have available for you fully stocked Dr. Christopher's herbal formulas. I've been using them for 25 years now, maybe longer than that, since 1996. And they work. I've used them on myself, on clients, on family and friends. They just work. If that's the specific thing you need, and you determine that with your own muscle testing. You see, you have the ability to be in charge of your full wellness. And so we maintain these, and you get always 25% off so that you can have them readily available and can get started immediately on the rebuilds that you need to do. You also have support and constant learning with a whole year of email and video training to increase your knowledge. During the first quarter of the year, you'll get 2 to 3 emails a week teaching you new skills and new principles. After the first quarter, those emails become weekly instead of 2 or 3 times a week because you're working on so many things that's new, and we just want to increase your knowledge. You will learn how, in those emails and in part of your private coaching, how to rebuild every organ, gland, and system in your body, all 60 plus of them. You'll understand what they do and what plants rebuild them. In a total of 75 trainings or more, you'll learn how to eat right. You'll learn how perhaps to have a salad bar always ready. You'll also learn things specific to you, what glands are damaged, what organs are damaged. And we customize the email flow to you in the exact ones that you need right now. You'll get something from all of these 75, of which I've only shown just a couple. Maybe you've got a damaged shoulder or knee or back. We'll show you how to repair that. Maybe you have an inherited weak heart or liver or lung or pancreas. We'll help you know how to repair that. And with your own muscle testing, you'll know exactly what it needs. We'll also teach you a lot of different plants that have immediate use to you and to your family and friends. You will receive a full year of coaching support. In the first 6 or 7 weeks, we'll meet weekly. And then after that, after you're working on lots of things you're learning together, we'll meet when you need transition support, roughly every 7 weeks, or where you need it specifically. You'll also have, by the end of the year, a plan to improve your health and wellness year after year after year, so that you're getting healthier every year. For example, I'm in my 60s and I'm healthier now, and I feel better now than I did when I was in my teens and 20s, and all the way through the rest of life until just a few years ago. I now have full energy. All of the pieces and parts are working right. And I have the opportunity to help you learn how to have that same blessing of everything working right. You'll also have full access to me all year long by being able to ask a question in email or text, and I'll return a reply to you as soon as I'm between clients or have a moment to that day. The outcome of this program is that you feel great and you know how to take care of yourself for the rest of your life. You will be well. You've corrected your most challenging problem, your most painful thing. You have worked on several other problems. You'll know and own the skills to care for yourself. And you'll know those things you need to do to take care of future problems or things that maybe an accident or something that happens to you. You'll be able to take care of yourself immediately with that. If these things sound like something that's right for you, please schedule a complimentary meeting, because I want to understand your wellness goals, and I want to ensure in that meeting that we're a good fit for each other, that you have knowledge of what you'll receive, that I know what your goal is and can help you on that goal. And then if it all matches up and you want to move forward, we'll set a first appointment and complete a contract, and we'll get moving. It's sure good to talk to you. I'm looking forward to meeting with you and learning what you want to achieve in your wellness.